Hi Chenu.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good.
You're in the playhouse today?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What is our idiomatic phrase today?
Out of the blue.
Out of the blue. What does it mean?
Suddenly and unexpectedly.
Suddenly and unexpectedly.
Just out of the blue.
Yep.
Yeah, it came out of the blue.
And retire out of the blue!
Can you give us some example sentences?
Sure.
Yes, what is your first one?
Yesterday, our grandma visited us out of the blue.
Right.
Died of a heart attack out of the blue.
Don't just resign out of the blue.
Her cookies always appear out of the blue.
We need another example.
Last night, a storm came out of the blue.
Okay.
He messaged me out of the blue.
Out of the blue.
It just turns up out of the blue.
Something that happened at the school?
Our teacher gave us a test out of the blue.
Calls me out of the blue one day.
Sorry to show up out of the blue.
This is not out of the blue!
How do you use it in a question?
Did you get this chance out of the blue?
Okay.
Yeah, he asked me out. Totally out of the blue.
Isn't out of the blue for Lucy.
Okay guys, today we learned idiomatic phrase out of the blue and how to use it in our day-to-day conversation. I hope you use this idiomatic phrase in your day-to-day conversation and make it natural.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. See you.